So you can have your own little micro business where, let's say you have 50 clients, 100 clients. You can make an extra 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000. Have a successful little side business, or have a part-time or seasonal work opportunity that pays way more.
What is the best extra income opportunity for stay-at-home moms or dads?
Okay, I like how you work the dads in there. So when you're a stay-at-home parent, you're looking to make some extra money, most likely. Maybe your spouse maybe has a full-time job and providing the majority of the income. Every household these days, especially with inflation, can use some extra money. You want to get an opportunity, right, where it's not distracting you from your main work, your real work, which is running your household, raising your kids, keeping your marriage strong, and all that kind of stuff. So if you're in that position and you're a stay-at-home parent and you want to look at extra income, I think you definitely want to look at the tax business. The tax business is one of the rare businesses where you can work from anywhere. So there's a lot more work at home opportunities than there's ever been. But there's also a lot of opportunities locally for you to go into local CPA offices, enrolled agents, other tax preparers that are established. You don't always need to have your own business, the proverbial side hustle. You can actually work and be an employee at a tax business on a part-time basis and make between 20 and let's say $100 an hour after you build up a good level of experience. You also can have your own business. So you can have your own little micro business where, let's say you have 50 clients, 100 clients. You can make an extra 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 without really taking up all your time and distracting you from your main work, which is when you're a stay-at-home parent, raising your kids, raising them the way that you want it to be. So I think it's not going to be the right fit for everybody, but the tax business, I think, is one of the primary best opportunities to earn extra income when you are a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad. Just my opinion, but it is based on real life experience of seeing how many stay-at-home moms and how many stay-at-home dads among our membership here at Pronto Tax School have a successful little side business, or have a part-time or seasonal work opportunity that pays way more than other comparable opportunities. Because it's hard to find part-time work that's actually well-paying and where you have some job satisfaction. Another thing that I would mention, we don't want this video to go too long, is that as a stay-at-home parent, you're used to dealing with irrational people, your kids, right? So when the tax business comes around, most people, if they get stressed out about their taxes, sometimes they regress into like becoming a child, almost like a toddler. And so you're well equipped to handle those kinds of untethered emotions and outbursts and things like that. It doesn't faze you. So you're actually a good fit to be able to help that client regain some sense of rationality and be okay.
That sounds about right. Hey, this is Imelda here, and I just wanted to take a moment to remind you that if you'd like to keep up with our latest content, to make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.